Now for the hand keepy uppy activity, what you're going to need is you're going to need a timer, and mine is set to 2 minutes, and you're going to need a rolled up ball of socks. What I'm going to do, I'm going to set my timer for 2 minutes, just like that. And I'm going to see how many keepy uppies I can do with this ball of socks. So keeping it in the air just by hitting it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I could do 7 that time, but my timer is still going, so I'm going to see just how many I can do within that 2 minutes. Now, my highest score will be the most times I could keep it in the air, and you have 2 minutes to do that. Okay, have a go.
Oh, these are amazing activities, aren't they? Keepy uppy, totally different skill. If you don't have a timer, just count the monkeys as you've done before. If you don't have anyone to count monkeys, just see how many you can do before you drop the ball. Okay? If you drop the ball, you stop your count, and you can have maybe 3 or 4 goes and take your best score. If you're finding keepy uppy quite challenging, okay, which it is, especially if you're one of our younger children, then I would suggest you use a plastic bag balloon ball. In case you haven't come across one of those, you can use any plastic bag that doesn't have holes in. So I'm using a bread bag, but any sort of food bag would be fine. Children, you must have an adult, please, for this. Okay, I don't want children doing this on their own, so please get your adult to do this for you. But get some air in, close the top up tight, tie a knot in it as tight as you can, just an ordinary knot, push it as far down as you can, or as far up as the case may be, to make it even tighter. There you go. This bit you can cut off. Try not to cut the balloon bag. Whoops, it's going to fly away. Better put that in my pocket so that it doesn't go anywhere. And there you have your balloon bag. And these, yay. Whoops, I'm in the wind outside, so it's not very easy. But that is, if you're inside, a really, really easy, the wind's taking it again, a really, really easy ball to use, but you do need to be inside for that one, okay? Right, go off, have fun, do your best, and don't forget to write down that score.